Imagine this. You've meticulously crafted a system in Notion. Tasks are flowing, ideas are sparking, and your entire digital life feels organized. But then a creeping unease sets in. Is all this information safe? What happens if someone hacks in and steals your meticulously crafted grocery list? Or worse, your financial plans? Notion has exploded in popularity. This versatile note-taking and project management app has become a productivity powerhouse for millions. But with great power comes great responsibility, and the responsibility of securing your information ultimately falls on you, the user. So, is Notion inherently safe? Can you trust it with your digital life? Let's address the elephant in the room. Encryption. Encryption scrambles your data, making it unreadable without a special key. Here's the good news. Notion encrypts your data at rest, which means it's scrambled when stored on their servers. This makes it significantly harder for unauthorized access. However, there's a caveat. Notion doesn't currently offer end-to-end encryption. This means your data is decrypted while in transit between your device and Notion servers. While they use secure protocols like TLS, a determined hacker could potentially intercept it. So, what security measures does Notion offer to compensate? There are a few. Two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone or email in addition to your password. Highly recommended. Permissions control. You have granular control over who can see and edit your workspace and its pages. This ensures only authorized users access your information. Audit logs. Notion keeps track of who accessed your workspace and what they did. This allows you to monitor activity and identify any suspicious behavior. While Notion has security features, it's important to be proactive as well. Here are some strategies to maximize your Notion security. Strong passwords. This seems obvious, but it's worth repeating. Use a unique, complex password for your Notion account and enable two-factor authentication. Data sensitivity. Evaluate what information you store in Notion. Highly sensitive data like credit card numbers or social security numbers are best kept elsewhere, like a password manager. Guest access with caution. Granting guest access allows users to view specific pages without joining your workspace. Use this sparingly and only for trusted individuals. Regular backups. While Notion offers backups, having your own copy provides extra peace of mind. Consider exporting your workspace data periodically. Let's talk enterprise use. Notion offers a robust enterprise plan with additional security features. These include SCIM, System for Cross-Domain Identity Management. This allows integration with your company's existing directory services, centralizing user management and access control. Data residency. For some companies, data location is crucial. The enterprise plan allows you to choose where your data is stored geographically. Advanced security controls. Enterprise plans offer additional administrative controls for stricter data governance. Notion isn't perfect. Here are some ongoing security concerns. Lack of end-to-end encryption. As mentioned earlier, data is decrypted during transit. While unlikely, a determined hacker could intercept it. Third-party integrations. Notion allows integration with various apps. While convenient, ensure the third-party app has strong security practices before connecting it. Physical security. Ultimately, Notion relies on the physical security of their data centers. While they likely have robust measures, it's a factor to consider.